Present now, Alohuan famous place, Alohua Ice Store. Here, all my childhood friend, Apich, Vishnu, Suel, and Mama. Thank you, Mama, for bill pass. Now we eating. Behind this two person, also virgin. Already they are age 25. This all person virgin boy. People looks, their face, their smile, their look. Inshallah, I strongly believe in future they build up brightly. কিছু কম একটা হাই করে দে
ফাকিং হাই
দে তাবিয়ান
হাই I am Chudian.